Enter the House of Marley Stir It Up Luxe Wireless Turntable. A masterful fusion of vintage vinyl elegance and modern wireless convenience. Crafted from bamboo and aluminum, the Stir It Up Luxe's sleek design encompasses a host of premium features. It boasts a lifter Q lever tone arm, knurled counterweight, isolation feet, and a stylus cartridge enclosure. Atop the RPM dial, there's a clickable aluminum knob for volume control and mode selection, e.g., BT, O. The aluminum faceplate seamlessly integrates a 3.5mm headphone jack and an LED ring, transitioning from red, O mode, to blue, BT mode, enhancing both aesthetics and functionality. The drive belt platter's circular black disc is made of plastic, and the metal feet feature spring-loaded mechanisms with silicone padding, ensuring stability and minimizing vibrations. The RPM dial control and anti-skate knob provide tactile resistance, with the anti-skate knob offering smooth rotational action and the RPM dial having notched settings. The tone arm securing clip is plastic but securely holds the tone arm in place. The bottom enclosure box sits on an aluminum plate, and it's also constructed from aluminum, easily accessible via standard screws for electronics access. The glass platter, weighing 1.28 kilograms and measuring 29 centimeters in diameter, pairs with the Stir It Up Luxe Wireless Turntable's 3.3 kilogram weight, totaling 4.58 kilograms. The dimensions encompass 35 centimeters in depth, 42 centimeters in length, and 10 centimeters in height, including the headshell tone arm, the highest point. The bamboo plinth is 2 centimeters thick, and the feet have a height of 3.5 centimeters. The tone arm cartridge measures 27 centimeters in length, and the included counterweight weighs 68 grams. Setting up the Stir It Up Luxe is effortless, as it comes pre-installed with the drive belt and cartridge stylus. Place the glass platter on the drive belt spindle, add the counterweight, and select your preferred connection method. Use the Q lever to gently lower the tone arm onto your vinyl record. Additionally, you'll notice a laser-engraved Bob Marley quote on the tone arm, adding a subtle touch. The Stir It Up Luxe supports both 45 RPM and 33 RPM speeds and offers Bluetooth 5.3 connectivity for wireless streaming to external Bluetooth speakers. However, it's important to note that streaming Bluetooth or routing USB wired audio from a mobile device or PC to the turntable. The Stir It Up Luxe's sole PC functionality is its USB recording output, allowing you to digitize your vinyl records, preserving them in digital format without additional equipment or software. In terms of audio performance, the Stir It Up Luxe features an AT95E elliptical stylus cartridge from Audio-Technica. Its larger contact area, compared to conical styluses, enhances sound quality and tracking ability. Furthermore, the elliptical stylus is replaceable, extending the lifespan of both your records and the turntable. Despite lacking built-in speakers, the Stir It Up Luxe includes a built-in preamp with an on-off switch for phono output and a volume control knob. Activating the preamp produces a line-level output, expanding compatibility with various audio equipment, such as powered speakers or amplifiers. This flexibility empowers you to fine-tune your sound, and the RCA line-out ensures high-quality audio transmission for seamless integration into your home audio setup. In conclusion, the House of Marley Stir It Up Luxe Wireless Turntable offers sustainability, style, and performance in one package. While it may have limitations in standalone use and mobile device connectivity, it provides a rich and enjoyable listening experience, especially when paired with external Bluetooth speakers.